With this homemade trick, you'll never have dirty and ugly feet again. To improve the appearance of the toenails, there is a simple and effective method that guarantees visible results. First, pour an adequate amount of carbonated water into a container large enough to comfortably submerge the feet. This carbonated liquid not only acts as a cleaning agent, but also helps to soften the skin and prepare it for treatment. Next, add a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate to the water, which not only enhances the cleaning properties of the treatment, but also helps to balance the pH of the skin. Using the feet, the bicarbonate is dispersed in the water until a uniform solution is obtained. Subsequently, the juice of a fresh lemon is squeezed into the container. The citric acid present in the lemon acts as a natural exfoliating agent, eliminating dead cells and promoting skin regeneration. After applying the solution, it is advisable to allow it to act for several minutes so that the ingredients penetrate deeply into the skin and nails. During this time, soft massages can be performed using a pumice stone or a rock stone in order to eliminate calluses and soften rough areas of the feet. After allowing the solution to take effect, massages are continued for a few additional minutes to ensure complete and effective exfoliation. This process helps to improve blood circulation and stimulate cell renewal in the feet. The result will be revitalized feet, with softer skin and cleaner and healthier nails. This simple method, based on natural ingredients such as sodium bicarbonate, lemon, and soft mechanical action, guarantees effective care of feet at home without the need for expensive products or complex treatments. Incorporating it into the personal care routine can transform the appearance of the feet, providing remarkable and long-lasting results.